Rabbit hear of bit carrot. Rabbit no understand. Carrot you
Huh?
can't see,
Huh?
can't eat. Sound fake. But cool rabbits say, trust. It worth many carrot. So rabbit believe. Kinda. Bit carrot live in magic computer hole. Not grow from dirt. Not from sky. Just appear. But only 21 million ever. That it. No more. Not like government rabbits who print leaf money all day. Now leaf not worth single nibble. No bank rabbit in middle. Just giant scroll, every rabbit reads. Scrolls say who own which ghost carrot. Try to lie? Scrolls slap you. Math don't lie. Rabbit trade real carrot for bit carrot. Sometimes bit carrot go zoom. Rabbit happy. Buy sunglasses. Sometimes it go boom. Rabbit cry. Sell shoes. Is bit carrot smart? Or is rabbit chasing invisible stick? Nobody know. But rabbit tired of being broke. So maybe, one more carrot. Just don't try to eat bit carrot. It bite back.